Students throughout the program will take various classes, and these classes in many disciplines in the civil industry. And when I say the civil industry, there's water resources, there's transportation that involves highway, bridges, surveying as well. And also the private and public industry, the buildings and residential, commercial, and many other buildings out there. Also, they will be hands-on tools and equipment. And the tools, what I mean, they will learn CAD, they will learn MicroStation, and also they will learn use equipment such as surveying equipment. They will go out in the field, learn about it. Another tool they will learn is the GIS program that's more related to highway, water resources. So it's a lot of great tools that we have, and they will be on. And on top of it, they will learn all about regulations, codes, what's needed for the design. So the program is pretty diverse to provide the students to go out there, and they can go to any job. They have the principles or the fundamentals needed for them to start their job.